Welcome to my channel, The Magic of Math. Today I'm going to review solving an equation by combining like terms. So we're presented with this equation, 5x subtract 2x plus 3 equals 18, and you're asked to solve and check your solution. So begin by writing the equation down on your paper. Next thing we're going to do is evaluate the equation. I'm going to circle for you each term. So 5x is a term, negative 2x, 3, and 18. So a couple things to note. One, notice that I also circled the sign, the operation that comes before the term. That tells you whether or not the term is positive or negative. So we have 4 terms to this equation. We have a variable term 5x, a variable term negative 2x, a constant positive 3, and a constant 18. 3 of these terms are on the left side of the equation. 1 is on the right. So we know that if we have more than 2 terms here, okay, that we need to do something before we start using inverse operations. So the goal is to get to our 2-step equation, which we have 1 variable term and 1 constant term. So noting that we have like terms here on the left side, 5x and negative 2x are like terms because they both have the same variable. So we're going to combine those. 5x and negative 2x are positive 3x. So now I have my 2-step equation. So now I have a variable term and a constant term. And my goal, the end game, what I'm trying to do is isolate this variable term. I want this all alone on the left side of the equal sign. So now I need to look at what's happening to it and use my inverse operations. So I see that it's being added by 3. So I want to create a 0 pair here. Positive 3 and negative 3 are equivalent to 0. If I subtract 3 from the left side, I must also subtract 3 from the right side, using the subtraction property of equality. So now on the left side, because this is 0, I'm left with just 3x, and 18 subtract 3 is 15. So now that I have isolated the variable term, I now want to find out what x is. So right now, x is being multiplied by 3. 3x is 3 multiplied by x. So to undo multiply by 3, I'm going to divide both sides by 3 using the division property of equality. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Remember, there's an invisible 1 here, so leaving me x. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now we need to check our solution. So I'm going to go back to my original equation right here. And I'm going to replace x with what I came up with as a solution. So you can see 5x is 5. Subtract 2x, and I put 5 in. So now we just need to do the math. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract 2 times 5, which is 10. 25 subtract 10 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. It checks. So my solution is x is equal to 5. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this solution. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.